This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulb renewal, main beam. Reach behind the headlight and pull away the inner rubber cover. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise a little and pull it from the reflector. Note that the bulb is integral with the holder. Manoeuvre the new bulb into the reflector, taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Rotate the bulb holder clockwise to secure it. Refit the rubber cover to the rear of the headlight. Dipped beam. Pull the outer rubber cover from the rear of the headlight. Reach into the aperture, rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and remove it. Carefully pull the bulb from the holder. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, press the new bulb into the holder, aligning the lug on the bulb flange with the slot in the holder. Manoeuvre the bulb holder into position, then rotate it clockwise to secure it. Note the bulb holder will only fit correctly in one position. Refit the rubber cover.